Hello guys, welcome to the channel once again, and please subscribe to the channel whoever is not subscribed, so that you will get the updated view whenever the view is posted. So अपन ने देखा कि लास्ट फ्राइडे अच्छा बुल मोमेंट रहा यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. सो अभी नेक्स्ट हम लोग अभी पोस्ट एनालिसिस करते हैं मंडे क्या होगा, मंडे का व्यू क्या रहेगा. सो यहाँ से हम लोग को देखें तो अभी मूवमेंट कितना आई यहाँ से एग्जैक्टली 1:1 है क्या, नहीं देखते हैं. एग्जैक्टली 1:1 अभी तक तो नहीं हुआ है. ओके, तो एग्जैक्टली 1:1 नहीं हुआ है, बट 0.5% मूव आया है. सो ये मूवमेंट का 50% मूवमेंट हुआ है, रिट्रेसमेंट अब देखोगे तो. सो नाउ व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट एक्चुअली. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू एक्चुअली सी. So now if this is ABC also, these are not yet been this is also not 1:1, just okay. So 15,305 what I am expecting, at least it should go if this movement is coming. So what I am telling is that if this is the zigzag movement, let me tell you, if this is the zigzag movement ABC, यहाँ से ABC 15,305 आती है. So this movement up to this, if it is 1:3 also, means this move, if it is coming, okay, if this is 1, this is 1, which is got a broken. Okay, so what we expect is that this bull movement can come up to 15,305, at least 15,305, but we can see some kind of retracement over here, on Monday or Friday. Monday, Tuesday, we can see some kind of sideways momentum, sideways move, where the RSI will be somehow, it will be this. Now you can see the negative divergence is there. Okay, in the RSI there is a negative divergence is there. If you see, price is moving up, and you see that there is a negative divergence. So RSI will get structured actually according to the positive moment. So what will happen is that this area 15,118 to 15,076, where it can take some supports. See, now I let me be very clear that if our candlestick is above 13 days moving average high, means we are in a bull trend. Nifty is in a bull trend now. Okay, Nifty is in bull trend, where it is going to make a third wave. This can be a third wave until unless this is not broken, 13 days moving average low. If it is broken, then you can say that some more retracement it can come. Okay, it can come, and we'll check this can be one of the support, or this can be one of the support, like this. So as of now I don't see any negative, positionally negative anything is not there. But Monday, Tuesday, some selling pressure will be there, and what I am seeing is that there will be very much sideways momentum Monday, Tuesday. So negativity will be there, but it will be sideways to negative, and not some dips may come, but it will be again, there will be a buying will be coming, and selling will be coming. So what I am saying is that in Monday after 1 o'clock some dips may come. So hopefully this 13 days moving average high should not let hopes that this is not broken. Let hope that it is not breaking. Okay, if it is breaking, then we can see that some momentum, some 14,886, from where it can take some supports. This gap can fill, and this can be the one of the support. Okay, so what I am telling is that Monday, Tuesday, some selling pressure will be there. But that selling can be called as a buying also, means from there we can see that some buying also will be coming. So hopefully this Monday, Tuesday, a lot of sideways momentum will be there, where means writer will get the benefit. Okay, So but Monday 1 o'clock little bit some negativity is there, negative is there, and also tomorrow opening, after opening some moment will be there towards the positive moment. Then after that a fall can be seen. Okay, and that will be sideways to negative. Okay, so that is how what I am saying. So if 13 days moving average low is broken, you can take the actually you can take the positionally negative, this one positionally short side. If it is not breaking, then please try to, in intraday, please try to avoid buying at least for Monday and Tuesday, because Monday and Tuesday intraday buying will selling will happen, then some buying, selling will happen, then some buying. So there will be sideways momentum, what I am saying, Monday and Tuesday. But this is the area most probably it will come over here and it will take support, then again it can fall, then it will come over here and next take support. So that is what I am saying. And if it is falling below this 13 days moving average low, then yes, then short side. Okay, so that is what I will tell. And whatever the momentum, what Elliott count, what I am seeing is that this will be the wave 1 and this will be wave 2 only. And I think wave 1 I will correct it, actually this it will be like this. Okay, and up to where it can rise. Okay, this will be this. So 1.618% retracement is coming towards 16,000. So target is 16,000, but it is a very long term view. But let's 1:1 let's take, it is 15,400 in coming days. Okay, I'm not saying it is immediate, if it is in the coming date, because Monday and Tuesday I don't see any you will not get some good buying will be happening, so that the momentum will be towards the 15,400. But 15,300, if the gap up is there 15,300, this move will be, after that sure short selling will come. See this one, I'll tell you this one, let me tell you 15, see, because this this is already one is done, this is already one is done. So okay, 15,000, this move is showing 15,450, and this move is showing 1:1, where 15,300 can be the one of the target. So if there is a gap up or something, then from 15,300 there will be a selling, this is absolutely sure. And if tomorrow if there is a gap down, then some buying will come, and after that some selling. So I cannot give you the perfect timing, but that also I can give you, but everything cannot be tell at this moment. But tomorrow what will happen is that after you can see that after 9 after 10 or something, some selling will be coming, then that selling will get some buying opportunity. But after the 1 o'clock or after 12:45, you can see some selling can happen. That is for the Monday view. Okay, so what I am telling is that I am bit sideways to negative in the now in the Nifty. And there is also technically there is also some divergence is showing, that also supports my view. So Monday I am bit bearish. Okay, and what will happen that take this if it is 13 days moving average low, if it is breaking, then we can go ahead for positional short side, right? And you can keep this high as the stop loss, 15,190, right? This is for the position, this is for the positional view. So 13 days moving average low, if it is broken, it is a short side with a stop loss of this 15,000, this one, this high of this 15,190. And if you are intraday player, try for the selling side. So tomorrow sellers will be very active, so there will be always as soon as it will momentum the price action, you can see wherever the 15 minutes or 5 minutes, whatever you see, wherever the high it will make, they will try to sell it. So bit after 1, there a bit after 12:45 to 1 o'clock, after that some selling pressure will be there, and Nifty can fall towards this region 15,180 to 15,076. Let's see if this 13 days moving average low is taking some supports. Okay, that's it guys. Bank Nifty also same, after 1 o'clock you can see some after 1 o'clock one selling is there, and after 10 also some selling will be there, and in between some sideways to negative after 12 o'clock or 11:30 to 12 1 o'clock, there will be sideways only. So that is what my view. So you can take your position accordingly. For Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I will update you after seeing the Monday how the market is triggering. Okay, thank you. If anything is there, please put in the comment section. I will surely update you with my comments. Thank you guys.